You guys, it is so hot in South Florida, like it makes me not even want to wear makeup anymore. So I'm currently at Aldi and I'm gonna show you guys the craziest, cheapest price for eggs. I never seen eggs this cheap. And we eat eggs like for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we are gonna get like 20 cartons. And I love to check the I like to check the aisle where they have like random stuff in it because they always have cute stuff in it. I think everyone's finding out that Aldi is very cheap, so it's starting to become more crowded. So I found my little 2 pillows. It's like for back support when you're laying in bed. Do you like it, babe? So we just put away all of our eggs. I highly suggest if you guys want to do the same thing and stock up from Aldi. We bought these either from Walmart or Amazon and I love them. And once like we run out of eggs on the shelf, you can even put like other stuff in it for extra storage space. And then we put all the other eggs down here and they fit. And we go through them so quick. So we love eggs. We're about to be at Costco and get some essentials that we like to eat. It is so hot. It's like 100 degrees in Florida. At least it's colder inside. I hate wearing these. Alright guys, so we got back from Costco and Aldi, and these are all the essentials we get. I love getting 3 rotisserie chickens and just shredding them all up because it's just so delicious and it tastes good cold, so we make salads out of it or whatever you want to do with it. And then I'm going to be cleaning up all of my veggies and rinsing them and chopping them up. I like to have different variety of vegetables on deck and on hand so that I don't have to worry about it every single day. It's just already done and in the Tupperware containers or Ziploc bags. And I just eat a bunch of salad, and it's just so much easier to have everything ready. The reason I use Ziploc gallon freezer bags is because I can see it really well if it looks like it's starting to go bad, if I should cook it and use it as soon as possible. And I also like the fact that it doesn't take up most of my fridge. I notice when I use Tupperware, it's just too crammed in there, and with the Ziploc bags, I have a lot more room. And then I also highly recommend this little machine thing that I got from Amazon. It chops up all of my veggies and it does it so much quicker than when I did it by hand with a knife and scissors. It's just way better. So game changer. I'll link that in the description box for you guys down below too. And yeah, I'm all done washing and cutting up my veggies, and now it's all ready to just go, and I don't have to worry about it every single day of the week. It's just ready to make some salads or throw it into a pan and saute it, and you can get super creative with this. So if you guys like this, make sure you leave me a comment down below what your favorite kind of salad is. And this is what I like to do as well. I bought these little shelving from Amazon as well. They're for eggs, but when I run out of eggs, I can also put other stuff like cheese or whatever in it. It's just extra shelving. And then I allow myself 2 fruits a day. I either have blueberries or apples. Love those. And more eggs. We eat them scrambled, boiled, you name it. And then I'm going to just throw all these in there, and I'm super happy. And now I'm all done. I didn't show you guys, but I pretty much just take my meats and my proteins and cut them up and put them in little Ziploc bags and throw them all in the freezer so that I can just pick out what I want to eat the night before and then let it thaw out. That's pretty much how I do it, and it makes it so much easier. And again, I have proteins like crazy you can choose from. I have lean ground beef, I have fish, chicken, everything. So I have plenty of options so I don't get bored and I can make delicious meals. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy grocery store haul, and if you guys want to see a more in-depth like what I eat in a day kind of video, let me know in the comments down below. And also I can do a video on how I lost over 50 pounds and get really in depth about what I did exactly. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Thank you guys so much, and God bless you all. Bye.